Evening, my baby mamas and baby daddies. We are at CVS. What's on here? We're at CVS for doing the diaper deals for 8-3 to 8-10, 8-4 to 8-10, something like that. So if you've been following along with me, or if you've never couponed at CVS before, I teach you on my channel how we get highest household items at CVS, and we use those extra care bucks to get free diapers. So if you've been following along with me, then we have a $10 extra care buck from our previous deals. Now I will post the videos on how I built my extra care bucks to get free diapers, and I'll show you today in our transactions how we actually get free diapers. So this week in CVS, the Huggies are on a spend 20, get a $5 extra care buck. Okay, so I scan my card, and I'll show a video clip on how you scan your card when you come in the store, and you'll get coupons from the red machine, and they'll look like this. Okay, I scanned my card when I came in today, and I didn't have anything. I didn't have anything I can use. They were all crappy, okay? So I'll be using all the CRTs this week from last week. They all expired today, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them for the expire. So on the first deal that I'm doing, I bought these Huggy coupons maybe a week or so ago. From WeCouponClips.com, and so I have them because I knew that this sale was coming up. So if anyone's watching this video and you want these coupons, the first person to comment "I need coupons" and emails me, I'll see the comment and I'll get these out in the mail so that you can use them before this deal is up, because it's really hard for some of us to get coupons. But there is a $2 Huggies digital on the CVS app. Okay, so but there's a $2 digital for Huggies, but this is a 3 off of 2, so it's a little bit more savings on that. So the first deal I'm gonna be doing tonight, since it's spend 20, get $5 extra care bucks. Now some stores go by what they call the 98% rule, meaning that as long as your total gets to 98% of the threshold. So if the Huggies are on sale for $9.99 this week, if you buy 2 of them, it's going to bring your total to $19.98. So even though it's at $19.98, my $5 extra care buck will still print, but at some stores you have to get your total all the way to 20. So if you need to get your total all the way to 20, pick up an item that's really cheap. Is what we call like a filler item. So make sure you look at the ad and all the products that are available on the spend 20. But usually if you get to $19.98, your $5 extra care buck will print. Okay, so pick up 2 of the Huggies diapers. It's gonna bring your total to $19.98. I have a 3 off of 2 Huggies manufacturer's coupon. I have a 3 off of 15 baby care products CRT that I'm going to stack with that, which is going to bring my total to $13.98. Now I have a $10 extra care buck that I've got from doing the previous deals that I'm also going to roll in this transaction. So if you don't have any extra care bucks or anything to roll into this, your total is going to be $13.98, but you'll get back a $5 extra care buck. But since I have this $10, why are you so close? Because I'm super low. But since I'm rolling this $10 extra care buck, my out of pocket will be $3.98. I'll get back the $5, making the diapers free, and they are free because they're free because if I'm paying $3.98 out of pocket, but I'm getting a $5 extra care buck back, I'm getting back more money than I spent. Okay, so follow along on my first transaction. Yeah. $3. All right, friends, so the first transaction worked out perfectly. $198 for 2 packs of diapers, and I did receive this $5 extra care buck bag. Okay, so we're gonna roll this into, we're going to see how far or how many transactions we can keep rolling to make sure we don't spend over $10 this week. So the challenge is getting a little tight. We're going down from $20 to $10. So right now I'm looking at ARM&HAMMER. So this week ARM&HAMMER is on, if you spend $10, you're going to get a $4 an extra care buck back. So I'm running into some issues because I'm looking for a product that's $9.99. I usually get the wipes and they're $6.49, but I'm trying to get to $10 because I don't have, guys, I don't have any manufacturer's coupons. I just have digitals and CRTs, so I'm just working with what I got. I was hoping most stores from the other channels that I watch, most of their lipsticks are $9.99, but these are all $7.99. So let's see how much of these. These are $10.29. So my plan, excuse me, is to pick up one product for $9.99. Use the $5 in extra care bucks, and also use this $4 off ARM&HAMMER Cosmetics CRT. So I'll be right back once I figure out what product I'm gonna get. So stay tuned. It is not on sale, but it is $10.29. So per my breakdown, it's gonna be just a little bit more because I had planned for $9.99. So it's gonna be $10.29. I'm gonna roll the $5 extra care book that I got back from the diapers, and I'm going to use the $4 in ARM&HAMMER Cosmetics. So I should pay like $1.29 plus tax to get back a $4 extra care book. So let's go.
Okay, man. We understand. Look, I get it.
Girl, with my money.
211.
Okay.
You know how it is. Somebody snap on you.
All right. Okay, so we just got a $4 extra care book back from the ARM&HAMMER deal. So I'm going to take this and get some free laundry detergent, okay? So this week, is it gonna, one second, guys. I want to show you because my store is not tagged, but I want you to know, I want you to see that in the ad, the ARM&HAMMER, Lord, my son, the ARM&HAMMER is on sale for $1.99, and we have a $1 digital, so making it 99 cents. So I get this. My sister uses this ARM&HAMMER for sensitive skin. So I'm gonna pick up 2, bring in my total. There's no extra care books back, but you're getting laundry detergent for 99 cents. So I'm gonna pick up 2. There's a $1 off digital. There's actually 2. One you can get for the scent boosters that they don't have up here, but one goes for the laundry detergent and one is for laundry detergent and scent boosters. So you can use both, taking $2, paying 99 cents, or paying $2 for both of them, okay? But since we have a $4 extra care book that we're gonna roll into this, I may pick up my a Tide. Y'all, we are watching my son. We both distracted. I may pick up a Tide just so I'm gonna see how this works, because Tide Simply, you don't use ARM&HAMMER. Tide Simply is on sale this week for $2.94, and there's a $1 digital making it $1.94. So it really just depends on what you like. There's a $1 digital for the pods, and there's a $1 digital for the liquid. I'm thinking about, I still have some extra care books left, but I'm doing these deals for someone who may not, who just may be starting out. There are some more deals that you can keep watching if you have more extra books than I had, if you had more than 10 starting out. But if you're just starting out, you can take this $4 in extra care books back and use it for your free ARM&HAMMER laundry detergent, okay?
Honestly.
Yeah, but it's not gonna do it. How much on 32 cents?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, guys, so on my third and final transaction, I'm going to be getting the soft soap, hand soap this week. My store is not tagged, and I think this is an unadvertised deal, but when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck, or you get some kind of extra care buck. I'm gonna just go out on a whim and see it because I didn't see it in the ad, but I knew it was an unadvertised deal. And I have this $6 extra care buck that I got back from doing the Crest mouthwash deal last week. So these are 2 for $5. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. That's gonna bring my total. That's gonna be $5, and then I'm gonna pick up. These are the pods. They're on sale this week for $2.94. There's a $1 digital, making it $1.94. So after coupons, I don't have any coupons. There are some printables that you can print out. If you want to know where you can print out the printables for the soft soap, you can. But I'm gonna roll this $6, and this is gonna be the last transaction that I do for today. And I think we did pretty good. We've got diapers, and we got laundry detergent, and we got soap. It's that time of year. People are going back to school. I didn't see any other deals that I've just needed to do this week. And I'm on a really, really strict couponing budget this week. So, let's go check out and see how much this comes out.
You want to use this?
Mm-hmm.
It's the only paper coupon?
Yeah, I don't. And the digital for the, what's the name? That's all I got, girl. I ain't got no coupons. No wallet.
But you still save some something.
158.
That's good, 158.
Okay, so let's see if it give me some extra care bucks back for that soft soap. You ready? Okay, guys, another successful CVS trip. The soft soap, hand soap is giving $3 the extra care bucks. So even if you don't have any coupons, you can go pick 2 up for $5, and you're gonna get a $3 extra care buck back. I'm gonna hold on to this because there's no, I don't see any other deals, and I don't have any coupons, so I'm trying to keep my out-of-pocket as low as possible. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more diaper deals at CVS, make sure you subscribe and like. If you have any questions, comment down the middle. If you want those Pampers coupons, make sure you comment. I want coupons so we can get those out to you before the week is over. Thank you so much for watching, my baby mamas and baby daddies. Y'all have a good night. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to make sure my son got something to eat. So I took the $4 in extra care books from the ARM&HAMMER, and I used it to get the free ARM&HAMMER, okay? So again, ARM&HAMMER this week, all week, is on sale for $1.99, and there are $1 digitals. There are 2 $1 digitals on the CVS app, okay, guys? This week, I didn't have any coupons, other than the Huggies. I don't have any coupons. I just had digitals and CRTs, and the CRTs that I got this week were horrible. They were just horrible. I couldn't use any of them. Like, I can't use any of them. I have to throw them all away. So, my total was 0. I paid 32 cents in taxes, okay? Free laundry detergent. That, you know, free is an excellent stock-up price for me. Even though I would have paid 99 cents for them. Whenever these go on sale, I get them. If they haven't. But I only get the sensitive skin because it's the only kind my sister can use. And I only get that. So those are usually the ones that people don't just clear out. They get the regular kind. I specifically look for the sensitive skin ones. So they always have those in stock when I need them. Every time they go on sale for $1.99, I never have a problem finding them because everyone doesn't get the white one. The sensitive skin one. Okay, so no extra care bucks back, but I did get free laundry detergent, which was a great deal. Okay, it wasn't my last transaction, y'all. I said I was done, but I took the $3. I saw that the Arizona tea this week was 4 for $2. So I picked up 4 of them and then got a filler item. So I technically am ending this transaction with $8 from last week, but I'm gonna hold on to for next week. So the soft soap transaction, the soft soap this week is 2 for $5. When you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care book. So I had a $6 extra care buck from last week that I wrote into this transaction. The Tide Simply this week is on sale for $2.94. There's a $1 digital. Okay, so I get the Tide. The Tide coupon came off and I wrote $6 in extra care bucks. I paid 94 cents and I got back $3 in extra care bucks back. Great deal. I wasn't because I didn't have a lot of CRTs, or I didn't want to just spend the money just to get it. I wanted to make sure I got stuff that I needed. Like I said, I'm on a very strict couponing budget this week, and I don't think I spent, well, no, I didn't. Because I walked in there with a 20 and I was just like, I'm only spending 10, and I left there with like $1. I left there with like $11. So I think I stayed under $10. So I got all of this. Mind you, the Huggies are $9.99. So say I just went in there and paid Huggies and I just picked up some extra free stuff. All this is free. All of it free. Free. Nothing's wrong with free. Okay? So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you have any questions, if you would like the link to the soft soap, if your store takes printables, because people run out with the printables, my store does not. So I find ways around that, okay? If I have extra care bucks, I roll that in there so I don't have to pay any out of pocket. If your store takes printables, that is absolutely fantastic. I don't want to change stores. I don't want to have to go looking for a store that takes printable coupons, because I know everyone there, and I'm just like, I would rather go where I just know people. But that's just me. There are printable coupons on coupons.com. If your store does not have a limit and you want to use your digitals along with the printable coupons, you can definitely get as many as they allow you to, and use a $1 coupon and get it for 99 cents. Okay. But the rest there are all digitals. Again, if you would like the Huggies manufacturer coupon, that and the digital came out together. I don't know why, but it did. And it might for you. And if it does, that'll be great, because that's $5 that's taken off. So that even if you don't have anything else to roll into that, you're going to pay $15 and get back a $5 extra care buck. So you're still paying $5 a piece, which is sort of like paying half. But it's getting you in, you're learning how the CVS couponing works. And it can be very intricate and confusing. So if you take your time, if you set a strict budget, like I'm starting to do for myself, because you can find yourself spending a whole lot of money when the point is to save. So I don't want that to happen to you. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Listen, if you know someone who can save money, who needs diapers, who needs household products, share this video. Let them know, hey, you don't have to ever pay full price for diapers ever again. And yes, you can get them for free. Say it with me now, free diapers. Thank you so much for watching Saving Money with Mira, guys. You have a great night.